Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited you stopped by today because today I want to share with you a really cute, inexpensive DIY fall decor idea. So let's get right into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. So fall is just around the corner. I cannot believe fall is just around the corner. So the other day I decided to take out all my fall decor from in the storage area to see what I have, see what I want to use, see what I want to get rid of, and just go from there and see if I needed anything new this year. But I was watching another YouTuber's channel, the sparkly blonde one. I am addicted to her channel. I recently found her. I don't know where I've been hiding, underneath a rock, I guess, and I'm addicted to her channel. So I was binge watching and I was inspired by her recent fall decor in her home. She showed it and she put up the cutest little pumpkin garland above her coffee station. And I just thought it was so cute, and that's what inspired me. Now, unfortunately, I think she got her garland from Target, if I'm not mistaken, last year. I don't have a Target near me, so I decided to give it a try and see what I could come up with that would suit my coffee station in my kitchen. Now, before I forget, I hope that you'll think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I'd love to have you join me each week. And think about hitting the little gray bell. That way you'll get notified each and every time I upload a new video, which I usually try to do every week on a Wednesday. And if you like DIY videos, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave my, my handle right there, and come on over and say hi. And if you do stop by on Instagram and you've come from here, let me know in the comments there. So let's get into how I made my DIY pumpkin garland for my coffee station. So here are the materials that you're going to need to make this pumpkin garland. I had this twine in the house already, so that's what I'm going to use as the vine for the garland. And then I picked up this package of 6 pieces of circular round wood pieces from Michael's. They were $5.99 and I had a coupon for 40% off. And then I picked up 9 of these oval shapes and they were 59 cents each. Then I picked up a package of these tiny little clothespins and they were $4.99. I don't know how many were in the package, but another 40% off. And then some stain or paint of your choice to match your decor in your home. I just had this stain lying around the house, so that's what I'm going to use. And then this straight edge, and I'll show you what I'm going to use that for, and it's to help break these in half so that I have enough pieces to make a round pumpkin. So the first step is to take each piece of wood, including the clothespins, and give them a quick coat of stain or paint, whatever you've decided to use. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I have this rag to wipe off any excess stain off the wood because I don't want it to get too dark. I want to keep this fairly light to go in my kitchen. But who has started to decorate for fall yet? Anybody out there started to decorate? Let me know in the comments below if you've started to decorate for fall. Now once the stain was dried, I needed to cut 3 of these circles in half so I could have enough to make 3 pumpkins. But it took a bit more work than I thought. This wood was really quite tough to cut. So what I did is I just marked the center of the circle, front and back, and then I scored along this line with an X-Acto knife, front and back, and that helped me to snap it in half. But it did, as you can see, one of the pieces, when it snapped, it wasn't perfect, but I'm not going to worry about that because that's going to be on the back of the pumpkin anyways. So that's what I use the straight edge for in order to make all the circular pumpkins. Now I'm just going to start assembling all my pumpkins, and as you can see, the piece that I broke in half serves as the outside edges of the pumpkin, and the full circle will serve as the front. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and assemble all my pumpkins.
Why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home?
Now I'm going to start assembling the oval pieces, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing, except I didn't have to cut any of these in half. And I love the way these ones turned out. They look so cute. And I love the fact that all these different pieces of wood, the rounds and the ovals, gave the pumpkins a different look. They weren't all the same and all matchy-matchy. So all I did here, just the same thing. I just put some glue across the middle and then put some glue on the back of the front piece and just laid it on top.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So
the clothespins are going to serve as the pumpkin stems, but it's also going to be the way we are going to attach all these little pumpkins to our vine. So all I'm going to do is hot glue each of the little pieces of clothespins to the back of each of my pumpkins.
So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time.
I have to tell you guys, I was giggling here. I was so happy with the way these were turning out, and I'm really, really happy. I decided to go with circles and the oval shapes. It just gave them such a cute look. Now to hang the twine in the kitchen, I'm just going to use some command hooks on my tile. I mean, seriously, are these not the best invention ever? I mean, command hooks, best thing ever. And I just kind of placed my twine how I thought it would look and tied off the ends and then just clipped on the pumpkins. And I think this is so adorable. I am in love with the way this looks. It's so cute. Now I'm just going to switch out my little plant for another little pumpkin and just put some color in this area. I'm just going to place it on this little cupcake stand. And this little pumpkin I got was from the Dollar Tree, and I love the color of this pumpkin. I'm so into this color this year. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it. And what I did was, because I loved it so much over there, I had enough for this side as well, on the other side of my sink, and I'm going to just place it up here along with the little fall sign I made last year, and then this really pretty rusty orangey color that I just got at my local thrift store.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why.
I am seriously loving the way this has come together and the way it looks. I think it's subtle but adds a bit of whimsy to my kitchen. So thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on doing some DIYs for fall and what you were thinking of making. I always love to know what others are doing in their homes. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye!
I've been waiting for